Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the menu bar on your Mac, so you can clean up those icons in the top right corner and keep only what you actually use. If your menu bar feels cluttered, this is going to help a lot. Let's jump right in. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. From there, scroll down on the left-hand side and click on Menu Bar. Now, at the top, you'll see a few general options, like controlling when the menu bar shows or hides, and how it behaves in full screen. But the real magic happens just below. Here, you can choose exactly which icons appear in your menu bar. For example, if you turn on AirDrop, it will instantly show up at the top right. Turn it off, and it disappears. You can go through this list and enable only the features you actually use, which keeps your menu bar clean and easier to navigate. Some items also give you extra control, like setting them to always show or only show when they're active. Now scroll down a bit further, and you'll also see options for apps. This allows you to decide which apps can display icons in your menu bar. Quick tip: the fewer icons you have up here, the faster and cleaner your workflow feels. So it's worth taking a minute to remove anything you don't need. And that's it. A small tweak that makes a big difference. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.